On the agenda is big news from Starbucks. This is coming off of abcnews.go. The title is Starbucks to lay off 900 workers, close stores in North America. These actions are part of a $1 billion restructuring effort. Quote, coffee giant Starbucks will lay off workers. Sorry, this is by Max Zahn, by the way. Quote, coffee giant Starbucks will lay off workers and close stores as part of a $1 billion restructuring plan, CEO Brian Nichols said in a memo to employees on Thursday. The company will slash 900 employees in non-retail roles across North America, Nichols said. The store closures will amount to a roughly 1% decline in the total number of Starbucks locations in North America in this fiscal year, after accounting for some store openings. While we're making good progress, there is much more to do to build a better, stronger, and more resilient Starbucks, says Nichols. Shares of Starbucks ticked only slightly higher in pre-market trading after the announcement early Thursday morning. Quote, Starbucks weathered sluggish sales in recent years as customers grappled with a years-long bout of elevated inflation. The company has experienced 6 consecutive quarters of declining same-store sales, a metric that examines performance at individual locations over time. Starbucks has sought to improve the interior of many of its stores in an effort to draw customers and boost sales. In a review of its locations, the company identified stores where such changes would not be achievable. Quote, during the review, we identified coffee houses where we're unable to create the physical environment our customers and partners expect, or we don't see a path to financial performance. These locations will be closed. Quote, each year we open and close coffee houses for a variety of reasons, from financial performance to lease expirations. This is a more significant action that we understand will impact partners and customers. Our coffee houses are centers of the community, and closing any location is difficult. The company expects to end fiscal year 2025 with 18,300 store locations in the US and Canada, and Starbucks plans to inform employees this week at stores designated for closure. They also say they aim to provide comprehensive severance to the employees being affected. So, I've covered Starbucks a lot this last year on this show. I've covered their issues. We covered the whole third space thing, how they wanted to really redefine their brand. During COVID, they really leaned into to-go options. They really lacked in-store dining, in-store visits. And so they've been really trying to rebrand themselves as a company where you're going there to the coffee shops to dine, to enjoy coffee, to meet others, see others, do work, have meetings and whatnot. Because they feel like as a brand, they've really lost that. So this restructuring sucks. I mean, it really does for everyone working there, all the jobs affected. I'm not sure how many stores yet are closing, but anytime people lose jobs, it's worrisome. It's worrisome that a company as large as Starbucks can't get their act together. They've consistently underperformed, and being a company that is so profound in the coffee space, in an item that people go to all the time, it's really insane to see them not be able to do well. Their reach, their funding, the brand identity, I really feel like they're just making really poor decisions. I bring this up on the podcast just to show that like business decisions are always necessary. How your brand is perceived by others is always important. Even if your brand takes off, even if you get a lot of agency with a customer base, even if you have major fans and you're known by everyone around the world, constantly being aware of how your brand perceived is crucial because in any minute consumers can just like decide to go elsewhere. There's too many options nowadays for people to go and have another experience elsewhere. So in my opinion, Starbucks has really lost its brand identity. It's really lost what it meant for them to be a third space. And I think they're seeing, unfortunately, the results of that. And unfortunately, that means that people that work for them are going to suffer, which I hate to see as well. So I feel for all those being laid off. I've been in layoffs before. It is awful. And then, yeah, just the restructuring. I don't know where they go, really. I mean, obviously, they're huge. Are they almost too big to fail at a certain level? Yes, but they are not doing well. No, they are failing. And it'll be interesting to see where they go.